Hi everyone and welcome back to this new video, and today let me reveal you a bag I have bought during Longchamp Winter sale. Yes, my friend, if you follow my channel, you know I went crazy during Longchamp Winter sale time. I bought a bunch of things, and that's the reason why I am making the video and launch them through the time in order to not only make unboxing. And this time I'm telling you, I'm revealing and not unboxing because I have used the bag, so it's not clearly an unboxing. So without further ado, oh yes, just one last information. I will link all the video concerning my Longchamp purchasing during sales time, so you can follow what I have bought. Let's go. Here is the bag, and I do think a bunch of you, my friend, already know what I have bought. And to tell you everything, when I've called my sales associate to ask them if they still have some Pliage bag on sale, have a look at my video concerning this. I also asked them if they still have some bags, and they had this one, and of course, I told them, okay, put this bag also aside for me. I'm going to pick it soon. And so I went to the boutique, I bought some Pliage bag, and I also bought this bag. So here it is. It is my Longchamp Roseau Essential tote bag M. Yes, my friend, in the amazing color fawn, which is one of their last color they just launched for this line. And I fell in love. I fell in love because I love the tote bag M. I already got one, the orange one, during the last summer sale, and you cannot imagine how much I use this bag. I like it so much. It's gorgeous. It's just great. It's just great. And when I saw the fawn color, I thought to myself it would be great to add this one in my collection, because let's be honest, I love orange color, but this bright orange for winter period, no. I prefer not too much flash color for winter. So I was really interested in the fawn color, but I was not ready to pay the full price. So that's why I was dreaming about the sales. And I was right, because finally I got it on sale. I will write the dimensions for the people who do not know about this bag. So it's a tote bag, all in grain quiet leather, very supple and very resistant. Look what I'm doing with my nails. You've got two long handles, which enables you to wear the bag on your shoulder. And if you are also wearing a big coat, no worry, you have space, as I can say. You have, because it's a roseau, on each side, you have button pressure to narrow or expand your bag. And you have the classical bamboo closure. And this one comes in gunmetal outwear, very lovely with the fawn color. I am crazy about this bag. It is so lightweight and the capacity is just insane. It's a bag perfect for all day. Look at it. You've got one main compartment, and I love inside. It is so soft, my friend. You have a one zipped flap pocket, which is very spacious, as you can see. Look at this. So inside you've got the Longchamp tag, and it's quite big. You have this little flap pocket. I have no clue if you can put a phone inside. Maybe I use it for my pens and my tissues. And you have something that I am crazy about. You've got the key ring. And this is so practical because I'm using a bunch my Longchamp full neck pouches, but also my keys, so you can attach them here and it's quite perfect. So I have no regret buying it because this bag is just perfection, and that's the reason why I have done the review concerning the end of this line, the Roseau Essential, and I explain you, my friend, but it's so sad because this line was just great. The item, the material, the leather, the style, it's just timeless. It's a timeless tote bag, and if you are looking to all over designer bag, they all propose bags like this. So I do not understand the purpose of Longchamp to stop this kind of bag, and I can tell you that it's the return of big bag. I know Longchamp will propose big bag. I have already seen the pictures, but they could have let this one still live. It's so sad they stopped this line. Seriously, it's so sad. And so you are wondering how much I paid for it. And my friends, I got it half price. Yes, this bag used to retail in American dollar, if I remember well, 540 American dollar. In euro, it was 450, and I paid half price. I paid 225 euro for this bag. The price is insane. When they told me it was half price, I was like this, okay, I take it. And I am so happy. There is no fit at the bottom because, as I explained you, the leather is strong, my friend, and it's not a problem to have no fit under. I love this bag. I use the orange one a lot. I know I will use this one a lot. I am also crazy about the color. The fawn color is a very interesting color. It's not a common color. Let's be honest. It's not brown. It's not beige. It's a yellow beige color. It's not khaki, but I can tell you it goes perfectly with every color of your outfit, and the style is just great. So I am super happy to have the opportunity, the luck to add it to my collection. And the smell is insane. It smells so well leather. Let me show you something. Yeah! Yes, you can also place, of course, funny back charm like this, and I do think it matches so well. It's so funny. So my friends, that's all for this video. So yes, this is the reveal. I have added another tote bag M in my collection. This size is just perfect for me. Tell me, my friend, do you have some Longchamp Roseau Essential item in your collection, or you hate this line? Let's open the discussion. I can already tell you I still have 2 bags from the winter sale to show you, but yes, I will show them to you later. If you have any question about the line or about Longchamp, or please write me a comment below, I will answer you. Thanks for your support, thanks for watching this video. Until the next one, take care. I love you. Bye bye, my friend.